Hi, today's message covers a critical topic for any business handling electronic equipment, WEEE compliance, and what every organization needs to know to stay on the right side of the law. WEEE stands for Waste Electrical and Electronic Equipment. It refers to anything with a plug, cable or battery that is no longer wanted or working. This includes laptops, monitors, printers, networking gear, power tools and much more. The WEEE Directive is a legal framework that requires producers and businesses to handle electronic waste responsibly. In the United Kingdom, this is enforced under the Waste Electrical and Electronic Equipment Regulations 2013. Failing to comply is not just an environmental issue, it can result in fines, prosecution and damage to corporate reputation. So who needs to comply? Well, if a business manufactures, imports, distributes, sells or disposes of electrical items, then it likely falls under WEEE obligations. This includes retailers, repair centers, service providers and even public institutions. So here is what compliance typically involves. Registration. Producers must register with an approved producer compliance scheme. This ensures their products are accounted for throughout their life cycle, including at disposal. Take-back schemes. Retailers who sell new electronics are often required to offer customers a way to return old items for recycling. This must be done free of charge. Proper disposal and documentation. Businesses must ensure all electronic waste is collected, treated and recycled by an authorized operators. Every transfer should be recorded with proper waste transfer notes or consignment notes if hazardous. Labeling. Products must carry the WEEE symbol, a crossed-out wheelie bin. This shows the user not to dispose of the item as general waste. But why does this matter? Because electronic waste is the fastest growing waste stream in the world. It contains hazardous substances like lead, mercury and flame retardants. And if mishandled, these can contaminate land, water and air. But WEEE also contains valuable materials: gold, copper, aluminium and rare earth metals. Recovering these reduces the need for virgin mining and lowers the environmental footprint of future electronics. WEEE compliance is not optional. Even small businesses and low-volume operators must follow the rules. That includes storing WEEE securely, using licensed carriers, and keeping disposal records for at least 3 years. So, in summary, if an organization deals with electronic equipment, it has legal and environmental duties. Compliance means registering, labeling, collecting, and disposing correctly. Non-compliance risks enforcement action, while proper handling supports sustainability and builds public trust. Thank you for listening.